Hello. Anything that we discuss is going to be for educational purposes. I'd like to welcome you all to Digital Trading Floor. It's a platform where we disseminate financial data in real time to provide actionable insights using live streaming technologies. The purpose of making this video is to analyze larger time frames. So, we would be analyzing Nifty options, open interest data for the monthly expiry contract. We would be analyzing Nifty on multiple time frames like yearly time frame, quarterly, monthly time frames, and we would be framing a view for this month, that is March. And finally, we would be discussing our stock watch list. So let's start by analyzing Nifty options open interest data on the monthly contract. So the max pain level for the 25th March monthly expiry contract is at 14,700 level. So it just tells us that if market was to expire on at 14,700, in that scenario, option writers are going to suffer the least amount of losses. If we analyze options open interest data, you will see that highest amount of calls have been written at 15,500 strike and highest amount of puts are written at 14,500 points. So it gives us a broad range of 14,500 to 15,500 on the index based on the monthly expiry contract. If we analyze Nifty on multiple time frames, you will see on the yearly time frame, market is under control of buyers above the yearly open, which is 13,996. On the quarterly time frame, market is again under control of buyers. Here you can see. And on the monthly time frame, we are again under control of buyers. And if you see, today is start of a new month, so you will see that today above 14,702 market is under control of buyers. So on all the larger time frames, yearly, quarterly and the monthly, we have a situation of full time frame continuity in which market is trading above its respective opens. So in this scenario, we would have full time frame continuity to the upside with buyers coming under control of the market. And in terms of price structure, you can clearly see we have been making higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows on the index on the monthly time frame. So there should be no doubt in one's mind that we are an uptrending market overall based on the larger time frames. So the likely scenario for this month, that is from 1st March to 31st March, we are likely to remain bullish above 14,529 levels, and we can potentially trade towards 15,431 levels, 15,909 and potentially 16,511 levels during this month. And on the flip side, below 13,661 levels, we can potentially trade towards 13,183, 12,581 and potentially 11,891 levels. And the neutral price range is going to be 14,529 to 13,661. Now we would be discussing our stock watch list. The stocks that we have chosen for this month are UPL, TCS, Wipro, Infosys and SBI Life. So today UPL is up almost 5%, but we'll we have to remember that all these stocks that I've chosen, they are inside candles on the monthly time frame. So in UPL, we'll look for buying opportunity above 597. Only if it trades above 597, we'll look to buy UPL, and we would be holding this stock for remainder of this month. As it in that scenario, we would have an inside break to the upside on the monthly time frame, and we'll only be looking for buying opportunity for delivery in cash stocks, and will not be making any short trades in all these stocks. Second stock is TCS. In TCS, we'll look for buying opportunity above 3,245.8 levels. Only if it trades above previous month high, we'll look for buying opportunity, else we'll not be making any trade. As all these stocks, they are inside candles on previous month, but and we'll look for buying opportunities only, as we would be holding these stocks in our demat account, since if it for example breaks the inside candle to the downside, which it is poised for right now, in that scenario we'll not be making any trade. We'll only look for buying opportunity above 3245.8 levels in TCS. Our third stock is Wipro. We'll look for buying opportunity above 451.75 levels. Only if it trades above 451.75, we'll look for buying opportunity, else we'll not be making any trade in Wipro. Fourth stock is Infosys. So we'll look for buying opportunity above 1332 levels, else we'll not be making any trade in Infosys. And our final stock is SBI Life. We'll look for buying opportunity only above 921.9 level, else we'll not be making any trade. So all these stocks are inside candles on the monthly time frame. That is, for the month of February, they formed inside candles. So we'll look to break out to the upside only to buy these stocks, and we would be buying these stocks in the cash market if they break the inside candle highs. That is February candle highs. Finally, before ending this video, I like to summarize that broadly we are in a range of 15,500 to 14,500 based on the overall open interest data, and we are likely to remain bullish above 14,529 levels, and we can potentially trade towards 15,909 levels. And on the flip side, we can potentially be bearish below 13,661 levels. We can potentially trade towards 12,581 levels. And the maximum level for the monthly expiry is at 14,700 levels. And our stock watch list for the month of March are UPL, TCS, Wipro, Infosys, and SBI Life. I'd like to thank you all for watching this video. Do hit the like button, share this video, and subscribe to Digital Trading Flow YouTube channel. Thank you.